Hey everybody, it's Ela, and it is day 2 of my doodle themed series. Here's what I did last time. I used the dry erase marker on this over here, and today we're going to do the other side. So let's say you don't have a dry erase board and you want to make some art. You want to loosen up. The main reason for doodling, as far as I'm concerned, is to get you out of your head. And, right now I'm in the Bay Area. We're all being quarantined. We're all required to just stay at home. How do you keep from losing your mind? Doodling is one tool for keeping make you feel like you have options. It's a way of taking risk, and what's the worst that's going to happen is you're going to make your dry erase board or your chalkboard look stupid. Whatever. We're having fun. This is not about making art that you want to frame forever. And if you love it, just take a photo and then wipe it off and then do something else. So I'm just going to get started. So I'm going to start with, if you only have one piece of chalk, if you only have one color, it's cool. You can still just use that. If you have more colors like I do, you can go ahead and have a little bit more fun. But it's amazing we can do with just one color. So here we go. I'm going to start. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a line. Oh, look, it's cool. It made 2 lines. That was unexpected. I'm just making marks. There's no right or wrong. One cool thing about the chalkboard versus the dry erase board is you can fill in areas really easily. If you want, if you use the tip, get a hard, more solid. There we are. And we can do that same thing that we did last time. You can remove the chalk with your finger. I got it wet. I'm sure I could get it even lighter. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just having a good time. Don't be afraid to use the whole area. Anyone who's ever taken an art class with me has heard me say that before. Get a little horror vacui with it. I'm doodling. You can doodle too. This isn't just for kids, by the way. This is for grown-ups. This is for everybody. Anyone can do this. Having a good time. I like circles. I'm making some circles. Now, if you're really lucky, you got 2 colors. Let's see what happens. Surprise, I love tomato red. Let's see. I like that. I'm going to do that again. Doot, doot, doot. Special effect sounds. Doot. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. It's like fireworks. We're having fun. You're really, really, really lucky you got 3 colors. You can do stuff that's not just going on top of stuff. Oh, crazy. Crazy. It's the circle invasion. Little ones. Big ones. You can fill them in. Oh, we're layering. We're so sophisticated. Oh my God. It's getting chaotic. That's fine. We have to go this way. Let's go back to the circle theme. Just having fun. No grades. No rules. We're just making marks. You can do anything. You can write words. Anything. Look, I can write with my left hand. Crazy. Can you read it? Doesn't matter. I don't care. Ha. So yeah, cool. Having a good time. Oh, I'm gonna keep going. I mean, you can just keep doing this forever and ever until there's no green left. This gets you in a different state of mind. Called art for art's sake. We're just doing it because we want to. Okay, this needs more red up here. This also needs more red up here. Uh-oh, the circles are back. So anyway, it's about having a good time. Anyway, I hope you like this. If you have a chalkboard, do this. If you don't have a chalkboard, go ahead, get a paper bag and a marker. Whatever it is you have lying around, junk mail, decorate your junk mail. And you can use anything that makes a mark. I mean, you could use instant coffee dissolved in water. You could use anything. You could finger paint. Just make something. Get out of your head. Have a good time. If you want to watch some more traditional type art videos, there are more on you can look at my link below for my watercolor videos. If you enjoy this and want to see more of this, there's also links to my Patreon and also my Ko-fi, K-O-F-I page if you want to donate just once. But get out of your head, have some fun, make a mess. I hope you enjoyed this. This is Ela. Bye-bye.